The second one is, I went to see a lady that was suffering with excruciating pain at Harvard Hospital, and my mother had told me that whenever a woman have a baby and she suffers with excruciating headaches, because a piece of the placenta, or what we call the afterbirth, is in the uterus still, and it need to come out. Well, I learned that from a little boy with my parents, because it was my mother and my grandmother that raised me, not a father. So, I took my little bottle of arnica to the hospital, and the doctor said, "You're going to give her that over my dead body." And the ambassador of Nigeria said, "I'll arrange that too," and push him out the way and I went in. I gave the woman the compound. She no longer had the headache in less than 5 minutes.
Wow.
She expelled something very ugly.